Guys, one of the most amazing feature of Google Sheets is that you can work on sheets in a collaborative manner. That is, many people can work on the sheets simultaneously, or they can fill up their individual requirements in the sheet. So in this video, but before you can do that, you need to know how you can share your Google Sheet with other people. So how we can do is that we will click on this option. That is, you can see a person with plus button. This means that you can add other persons. So let's go there. Let's click it. Here now you can see that it will give you an option of adding people or groups. Okay, so here we will type an email address. I will type a dummy email address, db6 at the rate gmail.com. Here I type the email address, and now this is very important. You can select, I just click this button, okay, editor, this tab here, because once I am adding this person, I can restrict what I can restrict his actions in the sheet. Okay, so let's click this, and here it will show me three actions. One, I can make him an editor, which means that just like me, he can make changes to the sheet. Second, I can make him a commentator, that he can only add comments in the different cells. For example, he can say me that, okay, color this cell, or some total this cell. Okay, or I can make him a viewer if he's a boss. Okay, and I don't want him to make the changes, he just wants to track my performance, so I will make him a viewer. He can open the sheets, but he cannot make any changes. So let's suppose I click on editor button. I want my colleague to make changes. Now I will type a message, and let's suppose fill the phone numbers, okay, of customers. Now once I send this message, okay, by clicking this button, what will happen is that it will send a pop-up to his email address, and this message will be displayed that I sent a message, I shared a spreadsheet with him, and but the title of the sheet will also be shared with him. And of course, if he has installed Google Sheets in his device, in his mobile phone, let's suppose, and an automatic pop-up will also get shared with him. Okay, so I hope this video, let me click it. So I hope this video clarified your concept, that how you can share your sheets with different people, so that you can work on those, all of you can work on that collectively. So see, I just received an email, which means, because I was also logged in from the other email address which I just typed, because so instantly I received a notification. I received an email, as you can see here. I received an email as well as a notification from Google Sheets. So I hope this video clarified your concept. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel.